In just a few minutes, let me show you how I achieved this simple flyer design using Pixellab. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first persons YouTube will notify. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing, we have to get the background size of this particular design. So go to background and then use this flyer as background. So this is the flyer here. So click on check mark. This is the size 1038 by 1280. So change the color to white, and then let's import the three pictures I used. So this is the three pictures. So now let's align it. This is what we are trying to achieve. So the first thing, this is the first picture. I think this is the first one. So place it here. Let's increase the size so we can achieve something very similar. So this is it. So this is it. Lock it. Then this is this. You can go ahead and lock it as well. Oh, let's reduce the size. We want to achieve something very similar. So this is it. Carefully and properly align. So you can lock this up, and then this you can increase the size. So I got this picture from Facebook and I edited the picture before anything. So this is the flyer. So come over to this first picture, then go to shadow and increase it, enable it rather, change the color to white, blur radius 0, then change the offset X to 10. So that is that for the picture. So the next thing, let me import the background I used. So this is the background I used for this design. Increase it and then take it to the back, then come over to color filter, and so this is it, something like this. You can, I've forgotten the particular one I used, but something similar. So this is it. Then the next thing I wrote, designed by Trust Chiwisi. Change the color to white and then come over to fonts. I particularly love these fonts. Then change it to Vastago black. Then select this designed by and change it to light. So this is it. Reduce the size like this. And then come over to spacing. Something like this is not bad. So the next thing I did, let me import this icon I used. So this is it. Reduce the size. I guess reduce the size again. So place it here and take it behind this picture like this. So go ahead and lock it. Come over to this, copy it, and then write 2nd May 2025. Then disable this spacing and then change the color to black. So let's change the font of this 2025 to something bold. This is it. Then come over to align. Click on this center one. Come over to spacing. So something like this is not looking bad. Align it to the center, and I guess that is that. So I've forgotten the name of this particular font, but I will find it. Click on shape, come over to gradients, select this. So this is it. This first one is transparent, then this one is black. So drag it like this. So that is that. Next thing I did, okay, let me get this font. So I'll pause the video and then get the font. So many persons were asking me about this particular font, and I forgot the name of the font, so this is the name, Blue Brush. This is the particular font I used. Then I increase the size, increase. Then let me pick this color. Let me pick this particular color from this flyer. So this is it. Oh, I made a mistake. Now let's write. Then reduce the size. Okay, I think this is not the particular font. Wait, let me get the exact font I use. Okay, that is the font. That was why I guess. Okay, if you use the if you change the text to caps, like if you use the capital letters, you want to get this particular effect. So just change it to small letter, and that is it. So go ahead and copy it and write. Change it to small letter to get the exact thing you want. So the color we use here is white. Then properly align it. I'll increase the size. So this is it. So the next thing I did here, let me import this. So I got all these resources from Pinterest. This is it. Reduce the size and then place it somewhere here. I guess that is it. Okay, let me import this balloon. So this is the balloon. I'll drag it, take it to the back, and then I'll reduce the opacity, something like this. So I can go ahead and copy the balloon, take it somewhere here. This is just to beautify the design and nothing much. So this is it. This is what you've achieved so far. So you can come here and write happy birthday, blah 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 blah. So you already know what to write. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm trying to rush the video. So just write whatever thing you want to write and then change the color to white. So one thing I keep telling people is don't use too many fonts for your design. So this design I used just 2 fonts. I used just 2 fonts for this design. So go ahead, select the same fonts, and then you can reduce the size and place it here. So something like this is not bad. So I'm just trying to show you how I achieved something similar. So I guess that is it. You can go ahead, save your design, go to Lightroom, and then enhance your flyer, and that is it. So try this out and let me know if it works for you. I'll see you on the next one.